Introducing your Miss South Africa Top 16.
Hello, South Africa. My name is Keabetswe Kanyane. I'm 25 years old from the lovely city of Pretoria in the Gauteng province. I'm currently employed as an analyst and project coordinator. I'm also a student studying in supply chain and logistics management. When I'm not working or studying, I love hosting. I host game nights, I host pizza nights, and I host fancy Friday dinners. The social responsibility program that is close to my heart is mental illness. 1 in 6 South Africans suffer from some sort of mental illness. Lack of resources and the stigma surrounding this disease are a major stumbling block in creating awareness. I want to be a voice that speaks against the discrimination and misinformation surrounding mental illness. This year, Miss South Africa will be crowned on the 9th of August on Women's Day. With Banyana Banyana qualifying for the FIFA World Cup and South Africa winning the bid to host the Netball World Cup, it's clear that South African women are a force to be reckoned with. My Women's Day message is to let your light shine. And when challenges come, look them dead in the eye and say, Watintum Fazi, Watintum Mogodu. The woman that inspires me most, apart from the women in my family, is Brenda Mogodu. Brenda teaches gymnastics in the lovely township Mabopane and nurtures young talents to reach their dreams of one day going to the Olympics. Vote for me to be a part of your top 10 and watch the show live from 5 p.m. exclusive to Mnet and Mzansi Magic.
Vote for your favorite, the 61st Miss South Africa, Friday 9th August, live at 5, in association with LFP and Sun International.